Question 11. Hopefully you will have had a chance at some point in the course to do an experiment with Toland's reagent, and you'll remember that in the presence of an aldehyde, like ethanal, the reagent turns from a colourless aqueous solution to a solid silver mirror. Knowing this, you can see that in B, it shows an aqueous solution in the presence of free electrons reacting to form solid silver. So you know that the answer should be B. Question 12. This question asks you to name a hydrocarbon from looking at the structural formula. To start with, you have to count the number of carbons in the main chain of the hydrocarbon. In this one we see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons, giving you the first part of the name, pentan. You then have to locate and name the functional group of the hydrocarbon, which in this case is C double bond O, which means it's a ketone and gives you the suffix -one. Next you have to find and name the branches coming off the main chain. In this one we see that there are 2 branches, here and here, which gives the prefix di, and both of the branches are methyl groups with only 1 carbon, so that gives you methyl. The next step is to number the carbons in the main chain from 1 to 5, and you have to do this in a way that makes sure that the functional group has the lowest number it can. So you could either name from left to right, which would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this example, we'd name right to left because that gives the functional group a number of 2 rather than 4. So once you've numbered your carbons, you can then start putting in the numbers for each of the elements in the chain. You put in a 2 for the ketone group here. You see that your methyl groups are in positions 3 and position 4. So it gives you the overall name of 3,4-dimethyl pentan 2-one, which is answer C.